How to increase vocabulary in English? Increasing your English vocabulary refers to the effort that you take up to learn and ingrain new English words into your long-term memory so that you can use them in order to communicate your thoughts clearly when you are speaking in English. The act of boosting your English vocabulary involves making your passive words and converting them into your active words. That is, when you increase your English vocabulary, you take words from your passive ones and use them in your discourses, making into your active words. When you've decided to increase your vocabulary, you need to do a list of things. Read, listen, write, and speak in English only. Only one source can help you get there. You need to surround yourself with English. Here are some of the essential tips for increasing English vocabulary. Listen to native speakers. You can observe that children pick up a language by first listening to their parents, elders, or adults who use the language around them. The same method you can apply when you want to increase your vocabulary in English. Listen to the native speakers of English. Identify how they use words and then copy-paste their words in the similar situations. Read online and offline. If you want to expand your English vocabulary, you need to read English both online and offline. The age of internet gives the golden opportunity to the language learners to easily learn their desired languages. You should also read offline and take help from physical books. Communicate in English. Communication of your thoughts and ideas is one of the two methods of expression. Using new words in your spoken English also helps you build a large working vocabulary. Make sure to speak in English only. Write in English. Writing in English is the second mode of expression and another type of communication. Writing in English can significantly help you build a long-lasting list of English vocabulary. Write anything, but make sure that you write in English only. Use an English dictionary. An English dictionary contains thousands of English words with definitions, synonyms, and antonyms. As such, using an English dictionary for learning new words can be a great help, provided that you use it on a regular basis. So there you go guys, this video ends here about how to increase vocabulary in English.